Our today's topic is cultural festivals in Pakistan. There are many cultural festivals in Pakistan like Horse and Cattle Show, Lok Mela Festival, Chandar Polo Festival, Sheelam Joshi Festival, Sibi Festival, Nowruz Festival. Other faith religious festivals in Pakistan: Easter, Christianity; Diwali, Hinduism; Christmas, Christianity. Pakistan's national holidays. Pakistan Day is celebrated on March 23. Independence Day is celebrated on August 14. Defense Day is celebrated on September 6. Quaid-e-Azam birthday is celebrated on December 25. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.